This is the WARSUN thin pocket LED flashlight. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual, charging cable USB to USB-C, and here is the flashlight itself. I said thin, they're not kidding. That is nice and thin right there. Nice metal clip on the back. Clip it on a shirt pocket or on a pants pocket or anything like that. Front light and a side light, and it's got a magnet on it as well. You can't beat this for an EDC, everyday carry flashlight. It's like an oversized pack of gum. That's really, really cool like that. Let me tell you a bit about it and we'll test it out. 675 lumens, not too bad at all. IPX4 waterproof, get splashed or anything, you're fine, don't worry about it. This is really nice and thin, like I said. It's 0.59, and that includes the clip. And there are screws. If you really wanted to, you could take those screws out and remove the clip, and it really is just that thin, like that. Actually, I think it's 0.59 this way, and this is more like a 1/4 inch. Actually, not too bad at all. Weighs only 1.34 ounces. Very, very lightweight. You have a button over here, and the charging port is under that little panel right over there, like that. Battery in here will last for 2 to 12 hours, depending on the mode you have it set in. And really, that's about it. Let's go ahead and test this out here. Press a button, you get a light. Press it again, you get a side light. Brighter, brighter yet, and red and blue flash. So again, press it, you get the front light. Press again for the side light, low, medium, high, red and blue flash. Oh, and I also forgot, turn on the flashlight, double click, and you get strobe on that one. Nice. And if you double click on the side one, the side light, you get flash on that also. Okay, the front light, turn that on. Hey, not bad. Now, the flickering you see is a camera artifact. You don't get that in real life. So that's pretty good right there. You can double click that and you get flash. Turn it back on, press again. Now you get the side light. Now this is a little bit warmer light. That's on low, medium, high, and there's your red and blue flash. And remember that if you put the side light on, I'll just get to that mode and double click it, you get strobe on that. So again, press the button, turns on, double click it, you get strobe on the front light. Turn it on, press the button again, you get your side light, low, medium, high, and red and blue flash. And in any of those other side light modes, double click and you get the bright strobe. You can put this in your car. Have it just in the center console. It's just there. You might never find it when you need it because it's so small, but hey, it'll be there for you. As long as you remember you have it, you can eventually find it. Magnet, so it'll stick under the hood. That's really nice. Front light, side light, all bunch of modes like that. Super duper thin. You have the clip on it. I don't have a nail to clip it, but there you go. That's it. It's really super thin, super nice all around. I love the thinness of that, like that, and all the modes that you could ever imagine for different lighting circumstances. Once again, this was the WARSUN thin pocket LED flashlight. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find this item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.